Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Jaden. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some cash grab simulator, like I said. And so yeah. Oh yeah, sorry about that. So this person has that backpack already, and he's actually doing good. But my job today is actually trying to get to 130k and stuff. We're gonna be upgrading and everything. Well, maybe, it depends. Let's buy another one of these. Now I'm out of Roblox. So it's going on for like 6 minutes now. Please lose him. He's not too poor. Oh wow. Seriously, oh my god. Guys, he is literally, oh my gosh. I have to at least get something for me to get the god. I'll be back once I have I was trying to see if this person would actually try to give me cash, but I wanted to see what he would say, so that's why I asked. That's literally the only reason why I would give it right back. I was gonna see like if he would like actually do it, but I know he wouldn't. Dang it. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I've done it to him. Wait, do I have to buy it? Oh wait, be right back. Alright guys, my friend Kid joined, and shout out to him. Kid is Kid, DIK77. Well, I don't know how to say it, so shout out to him because he's a very good friend. Literally, I remember him. He was literally like one of my first friends. Well, actually, not really. My friend Carl was. That's his real name, Carl. That's a different person. But yeah, he's very nice. They're both very nice. Shout out to everybody, like all my friends, actually. So make sure you guys go on my profile, follow me, everything. What did you say? I wanted to just say that. Should sing. I just gave you a shout out. Sorry guys, my dog, he was just trying to mess around with me. Alright, so yeah, I don't think we're going to be hitting the 100K in this video at all. Wait, Ted, can you please donate me 100K? And whenever I jump, I'll make him lag. I'm trying to see if he will because I need it. It's actually. Oh, okay. First thing I thought he was doing something else. Oh no. Alright. Oh, what did it mean? That's what I'm trying to do for this video, guys. But shout out to Kid because he's one of my friends. He actually helped. He tried helping me. We both don't know how to donate, so yeah. So people try asking us how to donate. We won't have a clue. Can't get myself. Dang it. Can't find any. Ooh. Okay, we're about to have 20K. I already have it, but let's go get it now. Hey, he's got me. Yeah, it's gonna be full before yeah. Dang, the lag. Sorry for the lag, guys, but I'm about to end off the video too. 1 second. Great, speaking Spanish? What the heck? Are they on the roof? Come on. So yeah, guys, we're about to end off the video. 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. And I know my backpack is full, but first I'm gonna get all these as much as I can first. So I don't have to just keep refilling. What the heck is that? How do you get a donator? What? How do you donate? How do I donate pet products? God, I wish I knew how to donate. How? I want this. I want this person. Oh, can you make another? No. Then how? Alright, I'll be back, guys. Guys, I'm gonna end off the video right here, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.